Hello, my name is Alfredo, and this is my solve of the test. As you can see in the first view, I have a little menu, an add request button, and a data table with all the information. It has a paginator, and also you can find a person or you can filter for type or request items. It also has the order buttons. You can use many as at the same time if you want. And but for example, here with Maya, she has 6 requests, but I am going to add another one. For example, in this model, I have some validations that if you choose the same item at the same time, a warning will be appear. Duplicate items are not allowed. It also has another one. The user must choose items from the same type or of the same type. And if the user wants to save the changes, a warning will be appear. Items have different item types. So what do you need to do here is to delete the second one or the first one, or just to change it. In this case, I am going to select some furniture items, a chair and a stool, save them, yeah, and you will see them here. I am going to explain a little bit my code. I have only 4 files. I just I wanted to use more or less the Laravel structure. I mean, you have the view, you have a controller, you have a config file, and my JS file. In the index, I have all the HTML structure. I wanted to make a more complex project, but I am just limited to 4 files. In here, well, I am importing the Bootstrap 5 and the data tables library, jQuery, Popper, Bootstrap bundle, and data tables. Those are the CSS files. Well, I am importing or using the menu, the button that calls the modal to add request, and the table. This is the modal to add request. This is the structure. It's a very simple one. I am just writing the most important things or the constant things like the title and the user that is going to add the new request. Here in utils, I have all the JavaScript functions. Here I did some requests, some Ajax requests to get the constant information like users and items. In the first loading, well, I am getting the request that it is calling a new data table object, and the Ajax structure is just like this. I am sending it with post, and the file that I am trying to communicate is controller PHP, and the action is get request. In the config file, I am trying just to build one database object that will be used in the whole project. For example, here in controller, let's say this is my API file. I am just checking that the request methods are post, yeah, and only post. I don't want put, I don't want get, only post. I am receiving the action method that will call everything I am using in Utils JS. The first one is request, that it is calling a request function that I have written in here. The get users function. Oh my god. And inside every function, I declare again the global the connection variable, making it global so I can access to it. Okay. I just had one trouble with editing the information. In fact, I commented the model because I don't really have a clear idea of how to update a data just like this. It is like if I don't have the same an ID of reference, I don't know exactly what data I have to update. For example, this user is asking for two and for two and for two and for two many times. If I find a for two request, then it will update every data with the same information. But well, this model for editing the request is working only until you click user, and it loads the user and the items of the request. For example, this Lily that is requesting a thumbtack and A4 sheet. Thumbtack and A4 sheet. It will load everything the user asked. I will comment this model, but you can uncomment it if you want. Um, Also, I took all the information you gave me to make the tables. Every table is related, so you can click the user, for example, and it will take you to the exact user you clicked. When I was checking all the information, I noticed that the types table was not referenced in your file, but I took the time to make it and to make all the relations that they must exist. Well, I think that's all. If you have any question or any doubt about my solution, feel free to contact me. I wanted to make a better solution for this. And when I was programming, I was thinking in Laravel and Vue.js, but well, I tried to make it the most clear possible. I hope it is a good solution for you. Thank you.